Introducing the 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 Phev Inscription Pro. This stunning grey estate jocked Jeep is equipped with a powerful 1.5-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle offers both luxury and safety. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on owning this incredible vehicle. Interested in learning more? Contact us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ee. Experience the luxury and performance of the 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 Phev Inscription Pro for yourself.